In this video, we're going to discuss the 1200 series electric water cooler template and its various applications. The template is designed to assist with defining blocking requirements, rough-in locations, and mounting bracket installation. Begin by removing the template from the packaging. The template can be downloaded and printed yourself, or you can request one through our Haws customer service team at no charge. After removal from the packaging, smooth out the template and cut away the bottom portion, just below the black line. This line will sit level with the floor, helping to ensure an accurate picture of where the fountain or fountains will be located on the wall. Use whatever means you would prefer to adhere the template to the bare studs of the wall, but be sure that the method you choose does not allow the template to move from this location. Movement may cause inconsistent results. Before proceeding, take a moment to double check that the bottom of the trim template lines up perfectly with the floor. This will allow for precise placement of the blocking and utilities. Lastly, be sure to make adjustments if the finished floor is not already installed. All blocking locations are indicated on the template using a dashed outline. Utilize these to ensure that the blocking is placed in the most ideal locations. It's important that when attaching the mounting brackets and the fountain to the wall, that the hardware used finds purchase in a reinforced material behind the drywall. If installing onto a brick or concrete wall, this isn't necessary, but carefully consider your options for anchoring the unit correctly. The template will give you an accurate location for each of the required utilities necessary for installation, including the 15-amp GFCI electrical supply, the 1.5-inch drainage location, and lastly, the 1/2-inch water supply line. The template provides these locations for single fountains with and without a bottle filler, as well as a high-low fountain configuration with and without a bottle filler. Also included on the bottom of the template are instructions for the installation of an adult wheelchair height ADA fountain, adult standing height, and lastly, a child height ADA compliant fountain installation. Simply adjust the height of the template based on these instructions. Once the utilities are complete and drywall installed, the template now serves as a quick and easy guide for the installation of the mounting brackets. Simply reinstall the template in line with the finished floor and align it with the outlet, drain, and water supply line. Use a pen or other tool to poke holes into the template and therefore into the finished wall. Do this at the locations of the hardware installation points on the outline fountain brackets, and if installing one, the bottle filler as well. No need to repeat this process for the frame mounting holes at the bottom. Those will be apparent when the fountain is installed. Remove the template and install the brackets over the previously marked locations. With the brackets and utilities installed, assembly and startup of the Haws 1200 series electric water cooler is a simple and quick process. At this point, the 1200 series template has fulfilled its purpose and can either be reused for another installation or discarded if the project is complete. You can now install the coolers, bottle filler, connect the utilities, and begin the startup process. Thank you for watching, and be sure to reach out to our customer service team if you have any questions or tech support if you need further assistance.